What's going on, Average Joe family? Today we back with another entrepreneurial aspect of the channel. I just got my leggings in. I ordered the sample. The sample was good. I approved it. Now we got the actual shipment in, and I'm going to open it up with you guys. Alright, so now let's get this box open. I'm really excited because when you see this box, this is like a box of gold. We got a lot of merchandise in here. It should be approximately 24 pieces. 24 pieces at around 30 or 35 bucks. I'm still depending on what I'm selling them for. So I'm still trying to figure that price out. But let's say even at 30 bucks times 24, you do the math. This is a box of gold. We just got to get the product sold. All right, so let's go. Get this bad boy open. All right, here we go. Kind of sent a little bit of a weirder box. Oh, they got a package. Perfect. Thought they didn't have a package. Boom. All right, get that over there. All right, so they took care of me. Sent me a free sample, and now let's get into the product. This time they sent it in a little bit of a smaller bag. The packaging is a little bit different. The last time the packaging had some sort of directions on there. This one is just a small packaging bag, but I'll take it. It adds a nice touch professional look to your clothing. And here we go. This is the small with the reflective. That's the reflective logo on there, the Charm City clothing. That's definitely reflecting. Boom. Very important for your branding. So we have the Charm City clothing with the washing directions on there. Made in China, 65% nylon, 35% spandex. It's giving you a really good look for your company, man. So this is the orange and gray pair. I'm really excited how this came out. Now this is just small, maybe an extra small. Hopefully not. We'll have to try and get someone who's a small. Put that on. Let's look at the sample while we have it out. You can see, you can talk to them. You can talk your distributor into giving you a free sample whenever you place a bulk order. So once again, reflective logo looks really good, and that's definitely not a medium. But once again, those are the pros and cons of dealing with distributors with Alibaba. Just looking at the length of it, it definitely doesn't look like a medium. The way this is going to stretch, I almost want to say this is a small, to be honest. But we're going to have to rock with it. So as you can see on this gray pair, the logo isn't as prominent as it should be by it being reflective. It's more so reflective, and that's something that I got to remember going forward. But as you can see, it's got a nice little design on there. Very nice, very good quality. But this is most definitely not a medium. It's going to be a small more than likely. Put that back into a packaging. Let me see how a large looks. If I can find one in here. Come on. Show you guys the black player. Okay, there's a large. Okay, here's a large in the black. That back down. Alright, here's the black pair. And here's what's supposed to be our large. These are constructed very well. Now this is going to be a silver. This is the reflective material, but it looks much better on the black. And now we know that going forward. Once again, you got the branding on the inside, made in China, which is very good. And the design looks really good here. And then on the back, you can kind of see the design that we have. Alright guys, once again, this was just an unboxing of Charm City Clothing women's leggings. Hope you guys enjoyed. We're going to get a little bit more into the video, but this was just an unboxing. Once again, the sizes are off big time. These almost look like children's leggings, and I'm going to be out some money. Alright, good. Alright, Average Joe family. So, to recap on the leggings, I was able to sell some of the leggings. Unfortunately, I had to sell them for about $10 a piece due to the logo malfunction. Whenever the leggings would stretch, the material that the manufacturer used would stretch the logo. Therefore, it started to peel off. So, unfortunately, I had to lose on that deal, but that's part of this whole process. You're going to win some, you're going to lose some. So the black pair actually fit a size down. So my largest was a medium, my mediums was a small, and then my smalls was like a extra small. And those are just the Asian sizes. Now the orange and gray pair actually fit true to size, fit true to the American US size chart. So even though those leggings looked a little short, in actuality they wasn't. They stretched when they were tried on, and they had a better fit than the black pair. Now, what I really liked about the orange pair is that it compressed and it lifted everything. So for the women out there, the leggings, the gray and orange leggings would compress and lift the backside, giving it a more appealing shape. It slimmed the legs down a lot. So those were almost like some compression leggings, and I got a lot of great feedback from those leggings, from the people who brought them, just saying that they fit well. They enjoyed how they felt. They were able to move around and be comfortable with that. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, that's sort of the pros and cons when you're going to be ordering from Alibaba distributors. Sometimes you're going to get items that's going to fit true to size as far as the US size chart, and sometimes you're going to get more of that Asian size chart where the actual size is going to be sized down. Now, just a quick side note, these were the stock items. So these items weren't made custom to order. These were just the stock items that the company had that I ordered from, and they were able to just really ship, print the labels on them, the inside label, which is your branding for your logo, washing directions and sides, and then they was able to put the logo on the outer leg of the garment, and basically ship them to me. Sometimes you can find distributors who will do a low minimum quantity, and then you can kind of get those made, you know what I'm saying, so they're custom. So, you know, you can send them the sizes, and for the most part, they're going to follow the size chart that they send you, and then those items will fit exactly the way you want them according to whatever sizes that you send them. This particular distributor had like a 300 pair minimum order quantity, so unfortunately right now I can't handle that type of quantity, so I had to basically just get the stock items, which at the stock items they was able to order me, they was able to send me whatever I wanted. So if I wanted one pair, they would have sent me one pair. If I wanted 100 pair, they would send 100. This particular order, I believe we did 12 and 12, which is 24. I did 12 in the black, 12 in the orange, and that's kind of what we worked out. Once again, I was able to make half of the money back, but those are, once again, pros and cons. Sometimes you have to lose a little to gain a lot. All right, Average Joe family, in closing, just to give a little bit of motivation, because that's what this channel is partly for, is to start to build a community of novice YouTubers, to give encouragement, and entrepreneurs as well. So if you're in the t-shirt business or whatever business that you're trying to get into, right now is a very difficult time for most businesses. You look at some of your mainstream businesses, Nike, Adidas, whatever the business is, you're getting coupons for 50% off, 60% off. So everybody is experiencing difficulty in this pandemic. So if your sales are slow, even if it's internet, hand-to-hand sales, don't be disencouraged, because once again, all of the businesses are going through that. So if the big business is going through it, you know the small business is going to go through it, as far as feeling the crunch of not being able to move a lot of product. So once again, hang in there with me. I'm going to hang in there with you. I'm going to give you all of the support that you need. You're going to give me the support that I need, and we're going to make it through this together. Just stay encouraged. Try your best to stay consistent with the clothing. It doesn't matter if a lot of your items aren't moving right now. Consistency is going to be key. At least your customers, at least your followers are going to be able to look at your Instagram, look at your Facebook, look at the website, and see that you're constantly updating products, you're constantly adding new products, and eventually you will be able to make that sale. During these times, we all just have to be patient. Right now, it may not just be our turn, but once again, if you stay persistent and determined, you're going to come out on top. So be patient, continue to add new items to your store. We're going to be talking about different ways to do that in future videos. We're going to be talking about new items that I've gotten in, new novelty items that I've gotten in to try to open up a part of my store on my online portion. We're going to be doing a lot, so stay tuned. Hope you guys will subscribe to maintain the support of the channel, and just, you know, once again, give each other support. That's what part of this channel is for, is to give support, to encourage people making new videos, people starting businesses, whatever the case may be, whatever niche that you're in. Please continue to subscribe, hang out with the Average Joe, and once again, thank you guys. Subscribe, like, make any comments, but once again, stay encouraged. Please continue to update your items, continue to just stay consistent with the clothing.